Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kipat Garo jong gerilum Garo Shad kemen hak apply trip leber arah jar pun real hadim ke yang dor bathauan jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kelawan ra ke jing Pynbeit Thymmai ya ke edi rule man khang lat ya ke wepat ke jai bendre ke bemde ki Garo bani shimbenta hak election jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council khnam ke nukno ke be khonik election ke bendan ya ke Syrnot Shad tribe Ketiga sinjam kelawan urlong di kipat Garo kelayeng persya ikiwe pat kejap bin riu kibam dei ki riu lum kiba buhai shnong hari lum Garo bani shimbenta hak election jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kat haduk bakal penmi ikajinga kan at kebajur hari lum Garo hai kini kniat tayo blalai no National Working President ka National People's Party konra ke sangma khau kurwa bala pha shigilap thai khbor loang bakade khlemat ke bakamentam ikipat Garo Namar bagajing penkha lega Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kadibit tek tang ka benta ka baha kamiat jeng jai bin Garo ke besyang masa hari lom Garo
안승리 부시하러 각산이 사업 이스트리 오행아 나로 야코 takna mananiara 안승리 파티니 프레시던트 내셔널 프레시던트 पाकोने के सम्मानी दक्षगनिची उन्हें इदलानिची तालो चिंगा या बिल को पास करना मना हा वह चिंगा दक्षगनिची मुदे वह चिंगा स्कीजागनिची मुदे वह रामा को मेसोकी उन्जागनिची मुदे तालो चिंगा या बिल को पास करना मना जवाचम उन्हें दक्षगनिची उन्हें अच्छिना खासानिची 안층리 아츠가 송기 특 브레우나 달로 증야 야니암 아로리티고 증하다 오망망 파스카에다 오 증하디 마하 양 안층가 가차니 아로 구시니와 아로 야노코바이 소니 안층나 당만차 하티아니 아로 답자가니 마디야마 이것도 만나는 것만 있을고 누라마니 다스나
Today in the Garo Autonomous District Council in the special session, the EC and the House in fact today has passed a historic resolution or rather an amendment to the rules where it is made mandatory for any candidate who is contesting to have an ST certificate. This is truly a very historic moment and a very, very important decision, as we know that the district councils have already or traditionally been meant for the tribals of the region, and hence it is important that the conditions that have been introduced now in the Garo District Council should be brought in, and this was something that was a very long pending demand of the people, but for past 74 years none of the governments or district councils were able to do this. But I'm happy to see that today we have come to this very historic decision, and I'm sure that all our friends, non-tribal friends who are there will understand that this council is something that is always meant for the tribals of the different parts of the region of the Northeast, and hence I'm sure that there will be cooperation from all angles, and we will all work together in peace and in harmony to ensure we take Garo Hills and the entire state and the region forward. Thank you very much.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.